Okay, this will be just a short video on what I recommend doing if you're going to join LiveGood, or if you've already joined and you're just looking for some advice from somebody that's somehow signed up almost 400 people. Let me just tell you what I've done. First of all, join LiveGood. Okay, what I did, and let me just shrink my screen. I went ahead and I bought joincory.com. Okay, I just bought joincory.com. You can see my business card right there at the bottom of the screen. And I went to GoDaddy. It was about $11.99, but I think with a coupon code I got it for like $8. But right now, if there's a brand new domain name that's never been taken before, it's only $11.99, and that's tax. That's everything out the door, guys. Okay, so I took the joincory.com, and what I did is I forwarded it to the LiveGood capture page. Okay, now you can either call GoDaddy and just have them do it for you, or you can go in your back office of GoDaddy, and it only takes like 3 minutes to do it. But that's another tutorial. And if you're on my YouTube page, just type in the search on my YouTube channel, excuse me, how to forward on GoDaddy. And I've made like, oh my God, 15 videos on how to do it. Okay, so let me bring in the capture page, which you get if you sign up with LiveGood. Okay, so if you do the $49.95, you're an affiliate, but with that $9.95 a month, you have your own website and capture page already built, and it's already made tens of millions of dollars. It's already working. So when I go to GoDaddy and buy the domain name for $11.99, and I forward it to this page right here, people watch the YouTube video right here in the middle. Okay, and if they want to join LiveGood or buy the products, they usually will put their name and email address in here just so that they get more information. They're not joined yet. And if they don't want to do LiveGood and could care less, they just delete this email, delete this website, delete the email that I might have given them or sent them, and they're on their way. But if they put their name and email address in, isn't it nice to know that LiveGood takes over for 30 days and sends a really nice email out that talks about the pay plan, the products, and if they want to join. And if they don't want to join, they just opt out and they're on their way. Okay? But remember, if you want to join, just go to any of the LiveGood emails, and inside there, you just click a link and you join. Debit card, credit card, we even take cryptocurrency. I think it's iPayout and BitPay and whatnot. So anyway, this is a capture page. Okay, now let me just show you what a LiveGood website looks like. And you can go to livegood.com. Right now I'm signed in to my personal website, which you'll have too. Now, what I recommend is go through the products. Okay, this is the products page. Let me show you. There you go. All these products, just click the Learn More, the white rectangle button, and you can check out what the ingredients are and what the price is and comparison, shop, and everything else. I mean, everything is in extreme detail. All the seals of approval. We even have some hats and shirts and stuff, okay? So check them out. Okay, please go to the FAQ section. See right here it says FAQ. See all these questions? Just click the line and they're answered. These are official answers from LiveGood. And there's a whole bunch of them. Okay, now everyone wants to know pay plan because we're a membership-based. And sorry, guys, I tore my vocal cord and kind of struggling with it. It's getting better. But anyway, go to the very bottom of your cell phone or computer screen. It'll say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. It depends how big your screen is. The word affiliate's kind of long. But right now you can see it says pay plan. Click it. And here's the 7 ways we get paid. Now, go to the bottom and watch the YouTube video. It's by far the easiest way. And read the website. You can see all this print and charts, but it's 1,000 times easier to go to this pretty girl here and tell her hello. And then just click that button there and watch the YouTube video. This is produced by LiveGood. You're going to freak out when you see how we get paid. It is so awesome. It's ingenious. It really is. Okay? So here's the homework. And it's not even really homework. For 10 minutes, just go to the pay plan link, go to the FAQ section, and then go to the products. And just take your time and make a decision. Do you like the products? If you like them, great. If you want to buy them, awesome. You're probably going to want to be a member and save money because you get wholesale pricing. And if you want to be an affiliate, it's $40 one time, and that's it. That's it. Okay? Then, like I said, go get some business cards at Vistaprint if you'd like. 25, $30. You got a big old box that lasts you a year. Make them simple. I'll show you my business card again if you want to see it. Like I said, just make them simple. Don't overanalyze any of this stuff, okay? Just if you want to do what I do, I really am a big fan of what I'm doing, and for some reason it just seems to work. That's all I can say. October of 2024, it's almost November in a couple days. But there's the card. That's not my nice shiny fingernail there. But anyway, yeah, I rounded the corners, and I just put Join Cory in my email address, and that's it. I just make them real simple. Even on the back of the cards, I just left them white. That way you can write notes, or if you have something in your teeth after eating at a restaurant, or I don't know, maybe you just want to flip them in a garbage can. But you know what? They're cheap, and they really do work. And on a street level, hey, Cory, what are you doing? I saw on Facebook, or you're doing something. Here you go. I never talk about Live Good. I'm too busy talking about Kiss and Legos and cars and just life. But I don't really like to talk about Live Good on a street level, because everyone's going to forget anyway what I'm telling them about. And most people just appreciate. They're going to go and they're going to sit in their car and watch their phone behind their steering wheel and just watch the 6-minute video. Or they're going to go home, lay in bed and watch. Or they just get a laptop computer fired up and they're just going to check it out and go, God, I think I like this dang company. I think I want to join. And if you join in my group, I'm going to send you a nice email and tell you exactly what I do. All right, to be number 27 out of 1.7 million people, I'm very excited about that because I don't have a lot of experience doing this. I just make it fun and simple. And I have a handful of other things that I do to just get clicks and leads and eyeballs to my joincory.com capture page. Okay, so anyway, thanks guys. Please check it out. And if you're in Live Good or not, don't worry about it, man. I'll help you even if you're signed up under someone else. It feels good just to help people if I can. If I can help you out, it makes me feel good, okay? So anyway, subscribe to my YouTube channel and just bookmark my Facebook page as well, because I put my personal life and my business life all mixed in. That way you can see who I am and what I do, besides just beg and plead to join Live Good. There's more to life, okay? So make it social, make it fun. Everyone that signs up in your group, you're going to probably be friends with them. Okay, not just members and numbers and matrix and their affiliates. And now these people that'll sign up, they're probably going to end up being your friends, even if you never meet. But you're going to have friends in Africa, Italy, across the street. I had no idea that I'd have friends in New Guinea, Australia, China. I have friends in Ukraine and Russia. It's crazy. Okay, so, all right, guys, thanks for your time. And like I said, get a hold of me if you need something, okay? All right, take care. We'll see you next video.